Breaking news. The FDA has recalled several peanut butter products.
Wasn't me!
Yes. Your lunch may be under federal investigation. The recall affects specific batches due to potential contamination. Consumers are urged to check lot numbers and avoid affected products. No sandwiches were emotionally prepared for this. Visit the official FDA website for accurate recall information, because even peanut butter deserves due process.